Today we're going to show you an advanced guide on how to secure your Facebook account long term. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, so protecting your account is more important than ever in 2026. First, start with a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using the same password across multiple accounts. Consider using a reliable password manager to generate and store complex passwords safely. Next, enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app instead of SMS whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security and makes it much harder for hackers to gain access, even if they have your password. Regularly review where you're logged in under security and login. Log out from any unknown devices and consider logging out from all sessions periodically for safety. Check your connected apps and websites. Remove any third-party apps you no longer use or don't recognize, as these can maintain hidden access. Also, review business integrations and ad accounts if you manage any. Secure your email account linked to Facebook, because attackers often target email first. Enable two-factor authentication there and use a strong, unique password. Finally, stay vigilant against phishing links, suspicious messages, and unknown friend requests. Avoid clicking on links from unverified sources. Regularly update your device, browser, and apps to patch security vulnerabilities. Hello, everyone.